With the ever-growing 3D printer landscape, it's getting harder and harder to be able to differentiate between the top players. You need a printer that's faster, stronger, and more importantly, the highest possible quality. And I think you're in luck today because we're unboxing the Formlabs 4B, and we're gonna find out how this stacks up on today's Unboxed. We're joined today by Tim Kent from Formlabs. Thanks for joining me, Tim.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So we've got our Formlabs 4B. You want to get it unboxed?
Yeah, let's do it.
And we're going to start with the easiest piece to start here. So explain to me, what's in this little guy?
Yeah, so first off, we have a QR code on the back. So if you want to scan that, that'll actually bring you through directions on how to unbox the printer.
And then we have a little USB. Is this for direct USB printing?
Exactly, so you can also print with Wi-Fi if you prefer.
Okay, and then this last little goodie down here, what do we have?
Yeah, so we need to make sure the printer's level. So you level it once and then you're good to go.
What do we got here?
So this is the Form 4B printer.
Wow. All right, let's see if we get it out of the box. Go ahead. All right, so let's start with the back.
There's a QR code there that you can scan, bring you to support if you need it.
Then I got a little USB-C. What's that do?
So that's if you want to plug in the prints manually.
And then we have an Ethernet. Is there Wi-Fi in it also?
Of course, yeah.
Okay, so we can go wired or Wi-Fi, which is really, really great depending on your network setup.
The lid opens up.
It's got a nice soft, so when you lift it, it's got a soft lift, which is nice. Okay, and then take me through the technology. How's this printing through?
We're actually using low force display. What we used to use was a laser, so it would cure each individual part of the build platform. But now we have a light that cures the entire build platform at once. So that's why we're so much faster, so much more accurate than where we were 5 years ago. What's happening now is it's welcoming us and we can go ahead and get started. First step is to choose the language. And then we're gonna wanna go ahead and set up the Wi-Fi. Next step is if we want to use the camera or not. And then what we wanna do is level the printer.
We've got this nifty tool, and then the legs themselves spin on, it tells you specifically up and down on there.
Next step is to insert the resin tank. The thing about resin tanks is they're actually the secret cost of 3D printers. For each different resin you're going to be printing, you're going to need a different resin tank. So our resin tanks cost $99 and they last a very long time. They last 75,000 layers. 75,000? Yeah.
So how many prints is that, would you say?
Hundreds.
Hundreds and hundreds of prints.
Yeah.
So the annual maintenance cost for your printer is actually lower than the competitor?
Yes,
that's great.
Significantly.
Awesome.
Then we just pop the tank in, click next, go ahead and put in the mixer, and then we put in the build platform. Have you seen how people have to chisel off prints?
Yes, I've had to do it myself.
You have.
What's the difference with this?
So with Formlabs, this stainless steel build platform just pops off all the prints instantly.
Whoa, wait, do it again, do it again. That's pretty cool. That's awesome.
So it's super easy to use.
Okay, cool.
Awesome, so let's go ahead and put that in. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the resin cartridge in.
That's it?
Yeah, so then once we start printing, we're gonna lift this up and open it.
Oh, so it allows air. There's a little, it looks like a shampoo bottle. You hit press here, and then that allows air to be able to get in there. So does that also prevent air from being able to get in there? Like you would close that at night when you're done printing?
Exactly.
And then I don't really have to get anything on my hands. I'm not pouring into vats.
So no manually pouring resin, a lot less mess. There's RFD chips in there too, so we'll make sure that the resin matches with the resin in the tank. So you won't be able to mix this fast model resin with our premium teeth resin or anything like that.
That's smart engineering. So what's this screen do?
So this is giving us a code to set up Dashboard. But Dashboard tracks all of your printer's material usage and things like that, live prints. So we're gonna plug in this code, and now it shows us that the printer is already set up. We're gonna go to Home here. This will show us the total amount of printers we have on our dashboard account. It shows us our active print jobs and if there's any materials that are low that need to be replaced soon. This is how you track all of your print history and active prints.
So with all of this, could I print remotely?
100%, yeah. You could be on vacation. If your staff's there, they could do the print.
That's the coolest thing I've ever heard in my life. Okay, we're back with the wash. Let's see what we got in the box.
So this is going to be filled with isopropyl alcohol.
Wait a minute, we're missing the most important part.
Isopropyl alcohol.
We have to peel the peely thing first. The most satisfying part of getting any unboxing done is peeling all the peelies. Everybody knows that, right guys? We have the basket itself.
Yeah.
What's this guy?
That actually measures the solvent of the isopropyl alcohol. That just goes in there and it floats.
Cheers.
Cheers. So you'll need about 7 liters I swear these come in 5-liter containers as well, so you don't have to buy these 1-liter ones.
We got our cure coming up, right?
Yes, let's unbox it.
All right, let's do it. All right, so let's go through it. What do we got?
Yeah, so we just launched this cure a few months ago.
We've got Start. What's this? Biomed Amber. There's different lights. What does that mean?
Yeah, so there's different presets for the different types of resins.
Oh, cool. So it knows which resins. And then there's custom. So if I have a resin that's not listed there, I can add the parameters of that?
Exactly. So we have an open materials mode that lets you print other companies' resins on our printer.
So you're like the open source printing solution for the marketplace.
Exactly.
Okay, so you want to set up and do a print?
Let's do it. This is our nesting software preform. Hit this plus sign in the top left corner. Here we have different presets for surgical guides, orthodontic models, restorative models.
Talk to me about supports. Are they hard to get set up or are they an automatic process?
It's all auto-generated.
Okay, so I don't have to do much. All I have to do is select my STL, pull it in, and it does the rest?
Exactly.
Okay, let's see.
So let's choose that STL file.
Okay.
And then we can go ahead and import it, set it up. Click print now and we're good to go.
All right, click it. Let's see if it gets over there.
Mixer's going across the build platform, so it's starting to dispense the resin automatically.
All right, let's see if it dispenses.
That mixer.
Oh, cool! It's like leaking in.
So the mixer will actually detect if there's any debris in the tank, and it will actually stop the print. Or if it's a small piece of debris, it'll just push it to the side.
Wow!
Part of the reason why we have a 99% print success rate is because of that mixer there.
Our print is completed, so we're just going to pop off this safety, slide it forward. And there's all that stuff right there.
What you can do is actually open this
and then pop it in there.
into the basket. Yeah.
You got all the answers. Making sure that I'm wearing gloves, because as you can see, we're gonna get stuff on your hands almost right away.
And then just pop it off.
All I gotta do is pop it off, and let's see if it works. Whoa!
There you go, instantly.
Instantly.
And we're good to go ahead and wash this for 5 minutes.
So we've waited our 5 minutes, so let's see how we're nice and dry there. And we're gonna put that into our cure machine. And how long do you want me to go here?
Awesome, it just goes for 1 minute.
Fast model V1, and then we're gonna hit start.
And there you go.
And then we're gonna do this for about 57 seconds. It's really cool looking. Once that goes through then we're done. And it's as easy as that. All right, so we did start to finish, print all the way through, and how long was that?
8-minute print, 5-minute wash, 1-minute cure.
So we can get to this pretty quickly, and there's a patient's mouth. And I gotta tell you, this is one fine looking setup for any doctor's office.
Super fast, super easy to use, open material mode. The accuracy obviously is really next level and super affordable for what you're getting.
Final thoughts, we'd like to thank you for coming with us on this journey with the Formlabs 4B. It is a beautiful piece of technology. Reach out to your Henry Schein representative if you'd like to learn more about this product in the links below. I'm Data Calabrese, and we'll see you on the next one on Henry Schein Unboxed.